Right, good evening, grade 10s. Okay, this is just the first load button. Alright, so I've declared a procedure up here and I've included file name. So the user can pass in the file name. Right now our file name is grocery. Alright, but if your file had a different name, like sandwiches, then the user just needs to say that when they call this procedure. So when they call the procedure, they just need to provide the name of their text file. So that's what that part there is for. Alright, and then also 3 arrays, one of string, one of integer, and one of real. Alright, so when they call the procedure, they will also provide 3 arrays of those types. And then I'm expecting the procedure here to read through my text file and populate those 3 arrays with the product name, quantity, and price. So that's what we do here. I start reading through my file. I just make sure that my memo is cleared from the get-go, and then I read through my file. This section here is a bit new. We don't normally add this, but it basically means you can stop reading the file if the index, or to put it another way, if let's say you're already on line 18, but the array you've passed to it can only accept 10 different names, then what's the point of being on line 18 if your array can only store 10? So this here just keeps track of how many lines we're on by incrementing I. You can see here I starts at 0, and after every iteration we increase I. Alright, so if you're on line 1, I increases to 1, so on and so forth. And this part here just makes sure that I remains less than the length of the array that you passed it to, so that you won't go out of bounds. Alright, so then we read the line from the text file into a variable called line, and we extract the name, the quantity, and the price. We display in our memo that format, and we keep going, and then at the end we just close the file. Alright, so I'm just going to scroll up so you guys can see this section of code. You're welcome to pause the video, make notes, just make sure you can do this tomorrow, okay guys? And there, this is my on click. Alright, so I just declare 3 arrays locally. This is one way of setting the length, so you guys are used to the other way where you do it up here in your declaration. But this is another way of doing it. And then I just call my procedure. I provided the name of the text file and 3 different arrays, so that when I run my program, it displays the product, the quantity, and the price. Happy days. Alright guys, we'll test this tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. And yeah, did you guys see Trickus lost and the Springboks lost? Hey, what a weekend. Otherwise it was a nice weekend. Right, see you guys tomorrow. Good night.